I've filled this up to the max. It's got a max marker on there. It hasn't got any increments on there, so that's the full capacity. Lid opens like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it to boil with the maximum amount and see how long it takes. So started it off, and I'll let that run and see how long that takes to boil. Well, it looks like it's just coming to the boil. I'll get ready to stop it. It's over 6.5 minutes, which I don't think is the greatest, but it is 1.8 litre, so I suppose I'd have to compare it. And that's it. Just about 7 minutes to boil that. Yeah, it's boiled it fine. It looks quite pretty with the LEDs. Not too heavy. This is a pullback open. Rather than, it's not spring loaded, it doesn't open when you press the release button. So you release it and put it back in. This is fairly cold, so not any chance of burning yourself on the top of that. And that's it. I shall keep trying it, and then I shall come back with my full written review.